In this video, we're going to see the Prim's algorithm. Prim's algorithm spanning tree. Find the minimum the spanning tree using an graph data structure. The spanning tree is the meaning to find the minimum minimum path distance between all the common edges and find the which an acyclic function, and we have to check whether it is an acyclic or not. That is the main theme of the spanning tree. Let's get into the code. First of all, I initialize init function init function and pass the variables self, vertex num and edges and nodes. Self dot edges equals to edges, self dot nodes equal to nodes, and self dot vectors num is equals to num. In edges and nodes are the two variables, and vectors num is the number of the value. MST is a minimum spanning tree which we are storing into the values of that. Here print solution is then to print the values of the range of the values, and print the values of range of the values. And here def of prints algorithm is an design. Here the main thing here the main we're checking with the edges, checking with the edges. First we are initialize, then we initialize that visited equal to 0 into self dot vectors num, and edge num is equals to 0, and we initialize. And we are again we are defined a value of visited 0 equal to true. If we find visited 0 equal to true, then we are assigning the edges true, and using this for loops we are checking whether it is visited or not. We are passing to the each edge and checking whether it is connected or not, and make sure that it is an acyclic. And after that we are appending into the MST, and at that we are getting input from an user. It asking enter the size, print the entries, and using for loop we are getting input from an user. I'm asking enter the nodes, using g as a function, getting g is an object, and using g dot prints algorithm we are printing the value of the algorithm. Let's run the code. Enter the size, I'm entering 4 entries. In entries, entered 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now let's run the code once again. Entering size as 4, entries 1 2 3 4 6. Then we have to enter the 16 values, because it is 4 into 4, 16 values. The number of nodes equals to 5. Enter the edge weight, that's it. That the number of the nodes are 5 nodes which has a minimum spanning tree. That's it. Thank you.